Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable weather and news feed from lock screen in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The, the very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate here at the bottom search bar and please type for settings. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match and go with open to continue. The moment you are being redirected here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that. You can see there a list of the options. Where here you need to look for an option called personalization. So tap on it, and the moment you have tapped on it, all you need to do is you need to scroll down and look for an option called lock screen, which contains lock screen images, apps, animations. So click on it, and the moment you have to click on it, there you would be able to see personalize your lock screen. And aligning to that, you would be able to see an option where here you need to click this down arrow and select on picture. Once you have set it, okay, please proceed on lock screen status, okay, and aligning to it, you'd be able to see the same option. All you need to do is you need to click on this down arrow and click on none. Once you're done, close the window and navigate to your start icon and restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, okay, the moment you would be able to open your windows, you won't be able to see the widgets in your lock screen. Okay? So those are the steps on how to disable the widgets in your lock screen. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.